Let's explore why matching HTML tags can be tricky and why using regular expressions might not be the best approach. This presentation will help you understand the problems associated with parsing HTML using regular expressions. The fundamental question we need to address is, can we use regular expressions to reliably parse and match HTML tags? This is a common challenge, and understanding the limitations is crucial for web development. Consider a simple HTML structure as shown here. We have a division tag containing a heading 1 tag with the text "Welcome" and a paragraph tag with the text "This is a paragraph." A simple structure like this might seem easy to parse. A seemingly straightforward regular expression pattern to match HTML tags might look like this: angle bracket followed by not angle bracket one or more times, followed by closing angle bracket. This pattern appears to match HTML tags. But does it really work for all cases? Let's find out. HTML often involves nested structures. Consider this example where we have a division tag containing another division tag which in turn contains a span tag. The question arises: which closing division tag corresponds to which opening division tag? This nesting creates a significant challenge for regular expressions. Real-world HTML is much more complex. Consider self-closing tags like the image tag and comments that might contain fake tags. Also, attributes may contain special characters, such as a script tag inside the onClick attribute of a division tag. These complexities make parsing HTML with regular expressions unreliable. The core problem is that regular expressions cannot effectively handle nested structures or context. HTML, on the other hand, requires context-free grammar parsing due to its nested and hierarchical nature. This mismatch makes regular expressions unsuitable for reliably parsing HTML. For parsing HTML reliably, it's better to use dedicated HTML parsers like BeautifulSoup or lxml. Also, browsers and various libraries offer built-in document object model, or DOM parsing capabilities, which are designed to handle the complexities of HTML. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.